Hi everyone, how are you today? So I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create Maxbounty account in 2020 and get approved. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to learn about internet marketing, please consider subscribe to my channel. Alright, so affiliate marketing is the easiest way for beginners to make money online. So Maxbounty is one of the affiliate network on the internet that one of the best out there. So they just work with well-known companies, and they offer, a variety of different products where affiliate marketers can make money in two ways. One is cost per sale, and then the other one is cost per lead. So Maxbounty only works with established companies, and they pay more than other programs. So they only accept high quality affiliate marketers to promote their products. So their system only approve affiliates with specific criteria. So in this video, here I'm going to show you step by step how to get approved in only just 24 hours. So you may be rejected twice, but you don't need to worry after you watch this video. So your account will be approved in 24 hours. Alright, so before you apply for Maxbounty, make sure to follow my best approach to create your account that I will discuss in this simple step. The requirement you need to follow, you must have these things that you need to apply. One is the valid email address, and then the second one is a unique phone number, and the third one you have a Skype ID, and then the fourth one you need to have a landing page or a website, and the fifth you need to have just the basic information about affiliate marketing. So let's apply and get approved. First, go to Maxbounty homepage and click on the affiliate section, and then click become an affiliate. Number 3, then they will ask you, do you already have an account with Maxbounty? If yes, then you can please fill the information. But this field is optional, and you can just skip this field, and then you can click next. And then number 4, you need to put your name. Your name must match with your payment name. So with your bank name or PayPal name, and then your company name. So if you don't have a company name, you just leave it empty, or you can just use your name, and then put your password. Just make sure you set a strong password, and then confirm password, and retype your password. Number 5, then come security section. You have to select 2 security questions that you can use in the future. So if you forget your password, so this security question will ask. Make sure you write the answers to those questions in your notes, so in that way you don't forget. And then click next. Number 6, type your unique phone number and select your time zone. Then provide your active Skype ID, and then click next. Provide them your complete address, and then comes to the experience section. And this is a very important section because 90% of the approval decision depends on this section here. So what is your experience? Select an option from the drop menu. You should be straightforward in this section so that when they call you, at that point you should comprehend your experience level. So if you're a beginner and you know a little bit about affiliate marketing, then just don't hesitate to choose I have some experience. And write your past experience in affiliate marketing also. And then despite your past experience in affiliate marketing, write something like this. I turned into an affiliate marketer to about 2 years ago, and then I began with ClickBank, then JVZoo, and Amazon Associates. Then you have gotten the payments from these networks, but I'm looking for a acceptable CPA's offer, that that change well over. So I promote product in, let's say, health and fitness niche, or maybe e-business niche, or whatever niche the best for you. The next question, how would you promote offers now? You can say that I use influencers, Facebook ads, Google ads, solo ads, and sometimes Bing's ad to promote your product. Then I run my campaign professionally, so I don't promote affiliate links directly. You tell them that you use landing page to collect the lead or email, and also you use the pixel to retarget your traffic, to get the maximum conversion. So this is what you need to say, and then tell them also you have offer like 10K email lists in a weight loss niche or whatever niche you are. Next, what offers you are looking for. So you just explain about offers related to your niche. And then your website URL, just type your website or landing page URL. Then is this account for incentive traffic? You have to choose no in this drop menu. So just make sure you choose no. So Maxbounty doesn't allow you incentive traffic. Then click next. Terms and condition. Agree the terms and condition, and click finish. So within a few minutes, you will receive an email, and you have to confirm the application that you just apply. Then they'll call you for an interview. So it is a very simple interview. They just wanted to double check whatever you write, you have written, experience on the voice call. So they will ask you about your experience in affiliate marketing, and you have to tell them about your experience as you have written in your application, because they wanted to check if you provided the right information or not. How to make money with Maxbounty. Now you have a complete step-by-step idea on how to create the Maxbounty account in 2020 and get approved. So if you want to make money with Maxbounty, you have to learn what we call affiliate marketing, the step-by-step to learn affiliate marketing. So to promote any product online, it is very important to run laser target traffic. There are many traffic sources. You can drive traffic from influencers, solo ad, Facebook ad, Google ad, Bing ad, display ad. So there's so many of them. So okay, friend, I have already explained how to create Maxbounty account in 2020 and get approved. And if you wanted to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. So if this information in this video helpful to you, please like this video. And if you have any question and you have comment, you can always leave the comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.